So what do you think are some of the common pitfalls that local authorities have encountered during that transition?
IT is very much like plumbing. When it works, no one pays the slightest bit of attention to it. When it stops working, people start shouting rather quickly.
Yeah.
It's very easy to underestimate the underlying complexity of an end-to-end IT service, especially when you've farmed it out to a managed services provider. And in a lot of cases, there isn't a clear understanding of exactly how any single service is delivered. So it can be hard to identify and unpick those services in order to transition them in the first place, never mind lifecycle manage them to the point that you're happy with.
As we said, I think the devil's in the detail really, isn't it? And it all comes down to the good planning and good strategic management.